Hello everyone, welcome back to our grammar series. Let's take a look into pronouns. For today, we will discuss indefinite pronouns. So let's start. Now what do you understand by an indefinite pronoun? An indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, thing or amount. It is vague, means not clear and not definite. Some of the varied examples are anyone, someone, somebody, nobody, anybody, somewhere, etc. Now, as you can see here, indefinite pronouns are divided into three: singular, plural, and some words which can be used in both singular and plural forms. Let's take a look into the singular form. Another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, much, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, somebody, someone, something. Now let's take a look into the plural forms: both, few, fewer, many, several, others. And in some cases, you can use these words for singular and plural purpose, such as all, any, more or most, none, such, some. Now let's try these words in a sentence. Another. I broke another cup. Anything. You can have anything from the pantry. Everybody. Everybody will be here soon. Each. Each child brought cookies to school. Both. Both these girls are sisters. Few. I've got few friends. Many. Amal has many cats. Others. I treat others like I treat myself. As you can see in this slide, some of the indefinite pronouns can be categorized into people, places, or things. Now, if you have a prefix any, and if you want to talk about people, you can say anyone, anybody. If you like to mention any places and you're not sure which place, you can say anywhere. Now, if you have some things, like if somebody is asking you, what do you like to have for breakfast? And you're not sure what the breakfast menu is, you can say, I like to have anything. Anything, please. Now, if you have the prefix every, you can say, if you're referring to people, you can say everyone, everybody. For example, you can say, everyone please be silent. Now, if you're talking about places, everywhere. The stars are everywhere. You're not mentioning the name of a city, town or place. You just say the stars are everywhere. Now, if you're talking about something, yes, if you want to talk about something as a group, you say everything. Everything here tastes delicious. Now, if you have the prefix no, you can say no one, nobody. If you're talking about some places, you can say nowhere or nothing. If you're talking about things, nothing. Now, if you have the prefix some, if you're talking about some people, you can say someone or somebody. If you're talking about some place, you can say somewhere. You're not sure which place it is, somewhere. If you're talking about something, you can say this word. You can use this word. Something smells fishy. Okay friends, I hope you found this session productive. If you want me to discuss any grammar topic, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you, and please be back for my next update. Till then, goodbye.